I've been to 3 or 4.
Yeah, it was just getting up onto the road.
Is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.
Motorists and residents are being warned to take extra care tonight as heavy rain lashes parts of the North Island, and the downpours are set to continue, with the authorities keeping a close eye on rising river levels. Flooding and slips have already cut off parts of State Highway 2, the main road between Auckland and Tauranga, and sections of State Highway 26. Joanna Hunkins monitoring the situation.
Bright lights on a very grey day. The fire service on their way to help another stranded motorist. Heavy rain began pelting the Coromandel early this morning. By lunchtime, this was the outlook. Floodwaters closing the Karangahake Gorge with more rain still to come. But the wet weather wasn't unexpected.
What we've got is a big, broad, wet trough over the North Island, dumping lots of rain in the high ground, i.e. the Coromandel Ranges, and hence the swollen and flooding rivers. Now, the heavy rain will continue for the next few hours, but overnight and tomorrow morning will ease right back. The heavier falls now moving east towards the Gisborne Ranges.
In Paeroa, motorists were redirected away from State Highway 2. But as the rain persisted, even alternate routes became impassable, leaving many stranded.
Go find a motel and bunk down. It's supposed to get worse tonight.
Which has farmers on high alert. Rivers around the region are at dangerously high levels. Farmers are being warned to move stock to higher ground. With rain warnings in place for the rest of the night, motorists are advised to postpone their journeys and check highway information before hitting the road. Joanna Hunkin, One News.
This One News update is brought to you by ANZ, proud sponsor of the New Zealand Olympic team.